Good morning, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're from. Today I have a project I want to show you. Just how I make a normal skin serum. Now I will tell you in the description box how to use this serum. Serum are really good for your face. You can actually even put them on with your makeup. You just put two drops in your hand and go ahead and rub it in your face. Make sure you're in out and not in. So you're rubbing it in, you're rubbing it out. That's what I meant to say. So face serum is really good for your face. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a face serum today, and I'm using these 4 oils. I'm using 4 oils today, and I will put it in the description box over my shoulder. I'm not sure yet if it's the left one or the right one, but I'm going to be putting it up there for you so you can go ahead and you can actually see how I make these serums, and then you can try it yourself, guys. These serums are working wonders for a lot of people, and also me, because these are the only serums I use. I don't go to the store anymore and buy serums. I use these serums because I know what I put in there. I know what's in there. So let's go ahead and show you how I do these serums, so you can follow me doing these serums. And today I'm just doing 3 bottles today. Also, when you make your serum, you need to put it down just about a week or 2. The only reason is for this is to just that the oils, different oils can get to know each other, and yeah, and just, you know, mix together and stuff like that. Give it a good shake when you're done. And also I am using almond oils sweet, and this is a fractionated coconut fractionated oil, but usually you can use any fractionated oil that you need to do. I mean, mixing this with fractionated coconut oil is the best one to go. Also, another one to go with is a boba oil. And this one, I'm making it for someone, so they request this oil. So let's get going. Oh, another thing I want to show you is instead of using rubbing alcohol to clean my bottles when I'm finished for any oil that's spilling it before I put my labels on, I usually, this is a new trick that I have. I use the hand sanitizer nowadays, and you know, a napkin or something, you know, something to clean it. Just make sure it's clean, it's new. And yeah, that's a new trick I learned. So if I don't have any rubbing alcohol anymore, I will go ahead and I will just use my hand sanitizer to work well. So yeah, all right, so let's get going. So first I'm gonna start off with this oil, lavender, and you need one of this, or you need one of this. So I'm gonna be using Let me see how much I'm using in this today, guys. I'm going to use 3 drops today. I'm going to be silent for a while because I need to count. Always make sure you cover back your lid when you're done, so you don't have any spillage on your table. And then I'm going to be using rose today. Four drops of rose. Now the reason why I continue to use this syringe in all my oils, it's because I can see that all the oils are out of it. That's why I use the vitamin E last, because it's a little bit thicker. If you notice on it, you will see it's a bit thicker and it's in. So I will clean this when I'm done because the oil is thicker, but the rest of the oil is very thin. So that's why I go ahead and use this one by itself. But I have more here, so if I need to, I can always grab it. Alright. So I'm going to top it off now with the fractionated coconut oil. Just make sure you give it a good shake when you're done. get a good shape. You can see all these bubbles. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is how I'm going to be doing this. Just pour some on your paper. Now you go ahead and just rub it in like this. And give it a good clean. Give it a good wipe before you label. As you can see, these oils, now you know what's in your serums, guys, and it's just easy. 4 oils. You have your 4 oils, and you have your oil to top it off. Always remember that do not use these oils on your skin as it is. These oils will burn you, so you need to top it off with something. So that's how you have your different oils come into play. Alright guys, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, please share, comment, and I would always leave my email so you guys could email me if you have questions. Thanks everyone for watching.